As I think about it, so many things in my life have just gotten better with age. But I'd be lying if I didn't admit when I look in the mirror, I'm like, ooh, gosh, I wish that didn't look like that. And oh boy, where did that skin come from? Well, Vijazzi Wellness is a amazing place here in the Valley where you can go and experience an ultrasound skin lift that can have you brighter and tighter in just minutes.
Absolutely. And here to tell us all about it is Brittany Black, who's looking young as can be, by the way, here with
Yeah.
Vijazzi Wellness. It's great having you, Brittany. How are you?
Good. How are you guys?
Doing very well. Let's talk about these
Good.
ultrasound skin lifts. We all want to get rid of all those creases and crevices all over our face. And this is a way to do that in a non-invasive way.
Correct. It's an FDA approved treatment. It uses focused ultrasound to penetrate down to the muscle for lifting and tightening.
Nice.
Excellent. That's the simple explanation. Now let's talk about why it's so great. Now, Brittany, you've had the procedure done. Do you also administer the procedure? Are you a technician?
I am.
Mhm.
Great. So maybe you can share
We
the experience. Yeah, please share your experience with both sides.
so I like to get the treatments that I perform done so I can accurately and honestly tell my patients what it's going to feel like, what the results are going to be, all that good stuff. But it is very easy. It's very quick. Usually it's 45 to 60 minutes of mostly non-pain, non-invasive, no surgery. Anything that's with a needle or knife, I'm terrified of. So you know that it's safe if I'm doing it.
You and I both. Yeah, no, not a fan of that. So this is the antithesis of that. This is just a way to be able to get those same results, but without having to get, anything that's sharp or anything pulling or any of that stuff. This just takes care of it in a
Exactly.
non-contact way, which is awesome. Let's talk about how many treatments it takes. Like how long will it take for us to get those results?
Just one treatment.
Oh, nice.
That's really amazing. So is it the kind of thing I know with different procedures Sean and I've learned about that when you walk out of the office you see the results, or do the results kind of unfold themselves over a matter of days or weeks?
So usually same day you'll see a textural improvement. Mostly we see it around the eyes or around the mouth or in fine lines. Sometimes the deeper wrinkles will be a little less deep. Occasionally we'll see some lifting same day, but the deeper levels where it penetrates to the muscle, so for the lifting and tightening, it does take from that day for the next couple months. So you
Gotcha.
just gradually get better and better.
Awesome. And how do we maintain these results? How long will these last?
Up to 5 years. And everyone, the question I get all the time is, oh, so in 5 years it's going to come undone? No, it's just we can pause the aging process for up to 5 years. And after that, it'll slowly start to take over again.
Gotcha.
Really interesting. So you call it a very intense, highly focused ultrasound is the actual
Mhm.
technology. What does it look like for you, or what is the process when you're working on someone's face?
So it's three different levels in one treatment. One penetrates down to the muscle, and that's for the lifting and tightening. What it's doing is it's reactivating your own collagen and elastin production. The second level is to the adipose tissue or the dermis, which is the deep levels of skin. That's for preventing deep wrinkles and getting rid of deep wrinkles, pulling them out of how deep they are.
Hmm.
The third
Hmm.
level is just to the surface skin, so that's for fine lines and wrinkles.
Gotcha.
I have a
Technology's come so far. It's really cool where we're at now, where something that's not invasive can last up to 5 years is awesome.
yeah.
Yeah, it's cool that we can get through all three levels, a one time treatment in 60 minutes or less, and it lasts you up to 5 years.
Nice.
Yeah, that is neat. I have a question for my co-host. It works on men as well, right? You
Oh,
have any men who come in for this
Yeah,
she's
we
asking
procedure,
for a
have
Brittany?
friend.
tons.
So
We have patients of all genders, all sizes, all ages.
all of this could possibly vanish.
I
There's a
We
know.
lot.
got you.
There's a lots of work on there. You have a special offer right now for people that are watching. The first 10 callers. Tell us what you have lined up for them.
So for the first 10 callers, you're going to get a free consultation as well as 40% off of any packages.
Oh, very nice.
Awesome. And Brittany V. Jazzy is located where here in town?
We are on the corner of Valley View and Charleston.
Awesome. Well,
You're very close to channel 13. I tell you, it'd be really convenient. Sean and I could just hop over together.
need it.
Perfect. We'll see you
Block out
there.
45 minutes. You might need 60 for this. There's a lot of work to go.
Oh,
It's great having you, Brittany. Thanks for joining us.
thank you, hon.
Of course. Thanks for having me.
All right, JJ,
All
tell them
right.
about that special again.
I certainly will. Not only do you get a free consultation, but the first 10 callers right now will receive 40% off what we just spoke about. It is a non-surgical facelift at Vjazzy Wellness. Like she said, they're located on the corner of Valley View and Charleston. Their number up on the screen. Call them now. What are you waiting for? You got time on your hands right now. Vjazzy Wellness, a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.